Hi there, and welcome to a new module of the ASP.NET Core Fundamentals course here on Pluralsight. I'm still Jill Clearon, and I will be your guide through this module as well. In this module, we will create the page, an overview page that is for our application. Yes, you're going to be building the first screens of the application that we have already looked at earlier in this course. To do so, we are going to use ASP.NET Core MVC and thus follow the principles of the MVC pattern. Now, by the end of this module, you'll already have a good understanding of how you can create new pages in an ASP.NET Core MVC site. Let's first see how we are going to approach this. As we will start building this first page using ASP.NET Core MVC, it makes sense to understand the concepts of the MVC pattern first, and that is what we will do first. In the next part, I will take you through the creation of the page that we're going to build in this module, and we'll see how each building block is to be created using ASP.NET Core 6 MVC. We'll start from the ground up, and so we'll create first the model and the repository classes. Next, quite important in the whole MVC story, is of course the controller, and we will look how we can create that controller for the first list page here. And we only have the controller, we won't really see anything just yet, and so we'll need to add a view. So we'll be learning how we can add the view in the next part, and we'll learn about Razor and other view-related topics here as well. Finally, we'll want to make our view look a bit nicer, and to do that, I will show you how we can add in our project some Bootstrap code, and we'll see how Visual Studio allows us to bring in client-side packages. This is going to be a very rewarding module, since you'll be able to run your site by the end of this module and actually see the result of your hard work. Let us dive in. Before we start with the creation of the page, let us quickly take another look at that page so you know what you're going to be working towards. Well, this is the page that we will be building together in this module. So by the end of this module, you'll be the proud owner of this page.